Racing Jesse started looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race. And there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of Dream of Mine. Moving upon the yards, there is Rock My World Top Notcher. Comes next, then followed by Diamond's Wonder. Minu Cutter comes next, see Alicia. Rochelle's Gift, Taal Volcano, Richco, Wild Babes Magic is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn with Dream of Mine by about 4 lengths, and in second is Top Notcher. Rock My World is racing in third. Mino Cutter now to take fourth. Then next on line is Diamond's Wonder. In between horses comes Rochelle's Gift, si Alicia, Taal Volcano, Richco, Wild Babes Magic is still in last, back to the leader with Dream of Mine, maintaining a 2 lengths lead, and in second is Top Notcher. Moving upon the outside is Rock My World together with Mino Cutter. Down on the inside now is Diamond's Wonder, Rochelle's Gift, si Alicia, Babes Magic, Taal Volcano, while Richco now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Top Notcher, Mino Cutter now moving upon the outside. Rock My World in between horses, and as they swing for home, we have Top Notcher, Mino Cutter, Rock My World now moving up in between horses. We have Rock My World, Mino Cutter is on the outside, Top Notcher is down on the inside. Rock My World by a length over Top Notcher, and finally Rock My World, Top Notcher. Then comes Mino Cutter, Babes Magic, Diamond's Wonder, and Taal Volcano, Super 6.
Okay, bayan karibista, ang ating unofficial winner for our race number 7, numero 8, Rock My World, with John Paul A. Guse, na segundo division, numero 3, Top Notcher.